Imagine there is a boy and he proposes to a girl, will you marry me? And the girl says, I will not marry a donkey. That statement will bring out diljali from you. And you will start working hard. That sentence will be behind you. See, your parents have been saying the same thing to you. Your teachers have been saying the same thing to you. Your friends, your brothers, sisters, everybody. But that did not matter to you. But when you propose to your crush, and when your crush crushed you with that dialogue, I will not marry a donkey, then that day the donkey inside you will die.